Hello everyone, it's Norma. Thank you so much for joining me today and welcome to my home. So I know it's a little late, but I'm sharing my Christmas decorating today. I wanted to share how I decorated my house. So that's my son, and he's a little bit taller than me, so I thought it would be easier for him to put up that Merry Christmas sign. And this is the entryway coming in from the garage, which is the way we usually come in since we park in our garage. So nobody really sees this but us. But I still wanted to make it pretty. So I'm just putting a little arrangement together. Everything that I got here was from Michael's, even the basket. So now moving on to the kitchen, and for fall I decorated with these cutting boards and I really liked the way it looks, so I thought I would carry it on to Christmas. Just putting everything in this little basket. That deer I got from Hobby Lobby and I just love it. I believe I got those florals from Michael's, and the copper pitcher is from Amazon, as well as the basket, Amazon. And this little sign my sister made for me, I think it's so cute. There's two others, I'll show them later in the video. But my family calls me Terry, so that's why it says Terry's Cookie Company. And the sign just didn't work out in that basket. It didn't fit quite right with everything else that I had in there, so I moved these two on top of my stove. I wish my stove would have been straight. It's a little bit curved, so it looks a little off, but I still like it. I thought it was very pretty. Now with the next side of the counter, the other side of the counter by the bar area, I put these eucalyptus leaves along with these little whatever they are. The eucalyptus I got from Amazon, and these little other things that I don't know, I think it's boxwood. That's from Walmart. So I got these beautiful candle holders from Target, and I'm just putting them in the dough bowl that I got from Amazon and kind of trying to arrange everything so it looks pretty. So if you like this type of content, I would appreciate it if you would like and subscribe. I would love to have you be part of my YouTube family. I love making new friends, and I would like to get to know you better. I make videos about cleaning motivation, cooking, baking, decorating, anything that makes my house happier, I like to share with you. And I don't know if you can tell or not, my bracelet keeps getting caught in those little leaves. Kind of gets annoying after a while. And next, moving on to the coffee bar. I'd already put the cups up. I had my son do it because I just have a hard time reaching. But I'm starting out with this snowflake that I got at H-E-B. That's my local grocery store. That little flower arrangement I got at Michael's, as well as that peppermint or candy cane Christmas tree. Those were both from Michael's. The little milk jug is from Hobby Lobby, and the reindeer mug is from Target. And I've had this tree for years. I believe it's from Walmart, but I'm not 100% sure. And now with the dining room table, I'm just putting on this. It's a cream color. It kind of looks white. I'm not sure what color it looks. The lighting in here is throwing it off. Those lights are so yellow. But it's a cream colored tablecloth. And then I have an older tablecloth that's round that I'm going to put over it. It has a little bit of gold sparkle, which you can't really tell the gold sparkle on the camera, but you can see it really well in person. So I got that beautiful garland from Michael's, and the candle holder is from Hobby Lobby. And then the vase I've had for years. It didn't really stand up too well since the garland was in the way, so I put a little wood riser on there to kind of hold it more steady. And it's just little tiny ornaments from Walmart. Both of the Christmas trees might be from Target or Home Goods. I think they're both from Home Goods. And the garland had those little circles. You can see them on the table. I'm not sure what those are for. I'm not sure if we're supposed to keep them, but I used wire cutters and cut them off. They were just in the way and they were showing, so I thought it looked prettier without them. And these little lights are from Target. And the gold sparkly tablecloths are from Hobby Lobby. I've had those for years, so. And I cheated a little bit. And this video would have been like hours long if I would have decorated my whole house. So I already had my bookshelves decorated and my Christmas tree put up. So this is what everything looks like. And I just realized I haven't put the tree topper on my tree. Oops. And I put up the garland. That's the same garland that I have on my table. It's from Michael's. And these little red bells are from Home Goods. But I forgot to press record. And I like the way they came out. So I wasn't going to start over. I just missed the clip of me putting that all together. And those beautiful reindeer are from my cousin Irma. She gave those to me a couple weeks ago. I think they're so pretty, even though they're kind of cut out of the clip. And again, I had previously decorated this bookshelf, so I just left it alone. And my cousin also gave me those poinsettia candle holders. They are so pretty. And next is my bathroom. I do not normally decorate in themes, but I had a bunch of gnomes. I did this last year also. I got a lot of compliments. I even got more gnomes for the bathroom this year. But I think it looks so cute and so festive. It's the guest bathroom, so it can be a little bit bright. And I got this cute Christmas toilet paper from Target. It was at the dollar spot a couple years ago. And just when you think there will be no more gnomes, there's more gnomes. Does anybody even use toilet seat covers anymore? I don't see that. It used to be so popular. And finally, the entryway. And if you have any questions about where anything is from, just leave me a comment. I'll be happy to let you know. But that wreath is from Walmart, the one on the mirror. That little tree is from Hobby Lobby. The pail that it's in was a gift. The candlesticks are from Kirkland's. That arrangement right there is from Hobby Lobby. The angel, Hobby Lobby, years and years ago. The pearls, it's actually a garland that I got from Home Goods. I was going to put it on my table, but it was just too long. It just didn't look right, so I kind of made it into a donut and put the angel in the middle. I think it adds a little bit more. And I just made the bow myself from ribbon that I had gotten at Michael's. So that was all the places that I decorated in my home. My next video will be a home tour so I can show it all together. And I'm wishing you and your family a very Merry Christmas. I'm sending you love and blessings, and I'll see you in the next one.